Hello friends, I'm Yogesh, your talent acquisition coach at Recruitment. You're watching this video because you have registered for sourcing skill workshop coming up this Sunday on 29th of November. This is an introduction video and I would like to introduce you with the kind of content we're going to cover in this workshop. Let me share this content quickly with you. We're going to join at 11 a.m. in the morning together, and this is a complete sourcing skills. I'm sure you know the sourcing is like like we have heart in our body, like the way heart pumps a clean filtered blood to our body. Similarly, sourcing pumps talent to the entire recruitment life cycle. So here I'll show you quickly what we're gonna do on that day. We'll start at 11 a.m. For the next 2 hours. We'll learn how we can do LinkedIn recruitment. Guys, sourcing on social media is something that you can't get away with. 80% of the workforce today is available on social media, be it LinkedIn, Facebook, and other platforms. So we're gonna spend a lot of time on LinkedIn recruitment. We will gonna spend time on Google search. So search is the real social media for a recruiter. So for us, it's not Twitter, or it's not WhatsApp, it's not anywhere else but Google. So we go to Google, and through Google we go everywhere. So we're gonna learn Google, and we'll also gonna learn Facebook. So Facebook, India, it's huge, but yes, it's across the world. Facebook has a number of users and members, and this is a great place for you to learn how to find great talent for your company or for the next company that you'll be working with. Apart from that, we'll learn about job portals. Each country has different job portals. In India, we have Naukri, we have Monster, we have Shine. There's so many. I'll tell you some basics, on how you can work on job portals or how you can leverage job portals. Friends, then you also have a bonus session, and this is about how you can apply Boolean and Xray search on platforms like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. You can actually apply it everywhere, right? But we're gonna focus on these three platforms, and I'll tell you 5 techniques how you can crack your next interview for the role of a recruiter. Guys, we're gonna spend around 5 to 6 hours all over the day. You will get around 30 to 40 minutes of session only where I will be answering your questions. But this is an open workshop. It means we both will gonna work together, and you're free to ask as many questions as you want. Okay, so I'll see you at 11 a.m. on Sunday on Zoom. You'll get your link on your inbox. Thank you.